beautiful hair quickly. Keep on watching. Hi. So today I'm going to show you how you can get really beautiful hair very quickly. So my hair are oily in the beginnings and dry in the ends, a combination hair type. So we would require two products. One is castor oil, any castor oil you can use, and egg. So let's do it. In a mixing bowl, I'm using 2 eggs and castor oil. Make it a thick consistency and apply it all over your scalp. You can even use this in the hair strands. So all over the hair, apply nicely and then leave it for 1 hour. After washing, with no conditioner of course, only shampoo, you can dry your hair a little. You can do this every 2 weeks to get real good nourishment and the density. To avoid the smell of the egg, you can use lemon squeezed in the water as your last wash. Do like my video if you like it. Bye. Do subscribe to my channel.